The best AI email assistant is not another chatbot where you copy and paste emails. It is the AI button inside the email app you already use. Inside Gmail. Inside Outlook. Inside the message thread. Inside the reply box. That is what makes it feel like a real assistant. So in this video, we are not doing another copy and paste prompt workflow. We are going to look at where to find AI inside Gmail and Outlook, what to check if the button is missing, and how to actually use it once you find it. If you use Gmail, we will look for Gemini. If you use Outlook, we will look for Copilot. By the end, you should know where to click, what to look for, and how to use these assistants without giving up control of your emails. Let's start with the key rule. Do not choose the AI tool first. Choose your inbox first. If you use Gmail every day, start with Gmail's built-in AI features. If you use Outlook for work, start with Copilot in Outlook. If your workplace controls your email account, your access may depend on your plan, your admin settings, and whether AI features are enabled. So if you do not see the same button someone else sees, you may not be doing anything wrong. Your account type or organization settings may simply be different. Now let's start with Gmail. Open Gmail in your browser and sign in. First, look near the upper right area of Gmail. In many Google Workspace interfaces, Gemini appears as a sparkle icon, Gemini button, or side panel option. If you see it, click it. That usually opens the Gemini side panel. Now open a long email thread. This is where Gemini can be useful. Ask it to summarize the conversation. Ask what the sender is requesting. Ask what action items are in the thread. Or ask whether a reply is needed. That is already more useful than copying the whole email into another tool. The help is happening inside Gmail. Next, test Gemini while writing an email. Click Compose. Look near the bottom of the Compose window, close to the formatting and insert options. You may see Help Me Write, a pencil icon, or a Gemini-style writing button. Click it and describe the email you want. For example, write a polite follow-up asking if there is an update on the invoice. Or, write a friendly reply confirming that Friday works for me. After Gmail creates the draft, do not send it immediately. Read it. Check the facts. Make sure the tone sounds like you. Then edit and send. That is the safe workflow. AI drafts. You approve. If you already wrote a rough draft, use the writing option to improve it. Ask it to make the message shorter, warmer, more formal, or clearer. That is often better than asking AI to write everything from scratch. Now, what if you do not see Gemini in Gmail? Check 3 things. First, are you using a personal Gmail account or a Google Workspace account? Second, does your account have access to Gemini features? Third, has your organization enabled Gemini for Gmail? Also try Gmail on the web, not only the mobile app. If the button is still missing, the feature may not be available on your account yet. Do not waste time hunting for a button your account does not have. Now let's move to Outlook. Open Outlook on the web or the new Outlook app and sign in. To use Copilot while reading email, open a long email thread. Look near the top of the message, the thread summary area, or the message toolbar. You may see Summary by Copilot, Summarize, or the Copilot icon. If you see it, click it. This is one of the most useful Outlook AI features because long threads waste a lot of time. Instead of reading 10 replies from scratch, Copilot can help summarize what happened, what was decided, and what still needs your response. But before replying to anything important, check the original thread. AI summaries are helpful, but they are not perfect. To use Copilot while writing an email, click New Mail or Reply. Then look in the message toolbar, ribbon, or Compose window for the Copilot icon. Depending on your version of Outlook, you may see Draft with Copilot, Coaching by Copilot, or a Copilot button inside the Compose area. Use Draft with Copilot when you want a first version of a message. Give it a clear instruction. For example, draft a short reply thanking the client and confirming that I will send the updated file by Thursday. After Copilot creates a draft, review it before sending. Check the date. Check the names. Check attachments. Check anything related to money, deadlines, commitments, or relationships. If the draft is too formal, ask Copilot to make it warmer. If it is too long, ask it to make it shorter. If it is too soft, ask it to make it more direct but still polite. That is how you use it like an assistant. not as an automatic sender. As a helper inside Outlook. Coaching by Copilot is slightly different. Use that when you already wrote the email but want feedback before sending. It can help improve clarity, tone, or structure. This is useful for emails that are important, sensitive, or easy to misunderstand. A freelancer setting a boundary. A student emailing a professor. A parent replying to a school issue. A small business owner responding to a customer complaint. In all of these cases, tone matters. Now, what if you do not see Copilot in Outlook? Check 3 things. First, are you using a Microsoft 365 account that includes Copilot? Second, has your organization enabled Copilot? Third, are you using Outlook on the web or the new Outlook app? The classic desktop app may look different. Also check the ribbon, message toolbar, thread summary area, and compose window. If your workplace controls Outlook, you may need your admin to enable the feature. That is normal for workplace software. Now, a quick word about third-party AI email tools. Some tools work as browser extensions. Some work as Outlook add-ins. Some connect to Gmail or Outlook through permissions. Before installing anything, check what access it wants. If a tool wants access to your inbox, that is a serious permission. For most beginners, the safest path is simple. Use Gemini if you are in Gmail. Use Copilot if you are in Outlook. Only explore third-party tools after you understand the built-in options. Once you find the AI button, use it for 5 jobs. 1. Summarize a long thread. 2. Find the next action. 3. Draft a reply. 4. Improve tone. 5. Identify follow-ups. That is the real value. Not prettier emails. Less inbox chaos. Clearer next steps. Faster replies. Before we finish, here are the mistakes to avoid. Mistake 1. Looking for a chatbot instead of the AI button inside your email app. The goal is an inbox assistance. Mistake 2. Assuming the feature is missing because you did something wrong. Sometimes you need the right plan, account type, app version, or admin approval. Mistake 3. Trusting summaries without checking important details. Always verify names, dates, attachments, money, deadlines, and commitments. Mistake 4. Installing third-party email AI tools without checking permissions. Your inbox can contain private information. Be careful before giving any tool access. The main lesson is this. A real AI email assistant should live where your email already lives. For Gmail users, look for Gemini inside Gmail. For Outlook users, look for Copilot inside Outlook. Use the assistant to summarize, draft, polish, find action items, and manage follow-ups. Keep human review in place. And judge the tool by one question: does this help me handle real emails faster without losing control? If this helped, subscribe to AI Daily for simple AI tools, beginner-friendly tutorials, and practical productivity workflows. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.